from the seacoast back through, say, Exeter, Sandown, Derry, right into Nashua, Litchfield, and points west through Temple and Rindge that could be bordering on some 20-inch snowfall on the ground.
Good morning. The snow is about to hit in just a few hours, so we have to get some stuff done. We have to get all our errands done. Not that we can't drive in the snow here, but it's just a lot easier to get your things done while you're walking on pavement instead of snow and ice, and loading groceries without snow and ice, and doing all the things. So let's start our day. Let's go. All right, it is 7 degrees. I don't think it's getting any warmer today, but the snow is expected to start in just a couple of hours. So we're here at the grocery store, and we have to get some little bit of groceries, bread, milk, you know, the usual, and get our stuff before it starts snowing. It's just easier to move all about without the snow and ice and all that good stuff. So we'll get our stuff done now. That's the other big thing happening today. The game is on. Let's go. So I just got out of the store, packed up the groceries in the car, and it's already starting. It's here about an hour early. No big deal. We can handle this. But it's coming. It's been about an hour since I last filmed, so it is coming down pretty quick. I mean, we already have a coating and the roads are a little slick. I think maybe because it's so cold out. All right, so it's been about 15 minutes since I last taped. I'm having to leave to go get one more thing for my son at the store, and it is coming down pretty good. The roads are still great, but it is coming down, you know, pretty quick. So we'll see how this afternoon goes. I'm gonna meet a friend at Buffalo Wild Wings. I never get out. And we're gonna watch the game. It is so cold. It's 9 degrees and it's snowing so crazily. Awesome. That's awesome. I can't believe it. Gosh, the wind. Oh, this is crazy. At least it's so powdery. Look at it. Oh my gosh, look at it. It's so deep. Oh yeah, you can hear the ice on their cars. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at it. It looks like glitter. Oh my goodness. It's so cold and it's deep. Ugh. Wow. A big lump of snow on the car. Oh, it's so cold. Holy moly. It is cold. We got a whole pile here in order to get the car back in the driveway. Oh my goodness. Hear the ice hitting the car. It's turning over to ice. Good morning. What do you see? What do you see? Oh, we got so much snow. Did we get so much snow, Callie? Yes. Oh my gosh. We had a lot of snow. chunks of ice. Ice chunks. Holy moly. We got some snow. Okay, just for record, those garden boxes are 32 inches tall. So we got ourselves some snow, folks. We got ourselves some snow. Morning from Snowmageddon 2026. Whew, it's cold out. It's probably about 10 degrees, but with it feels like temperature of probably close to 0. The wind is picking up. We got about 20 inches overnight, which is what they were saying. And we're going to get about another 3 to 5, maybe 6 to 8 overnight until midnight. So today we got to get the car out. I got to undig my garbage barrels because it's also garbage day. We have great neighbors here. Everybody's helping each other out. Snowmageddon 2026. I have to go get some gas. So let's go. It is cold out. But onward we go. Here it is. Snowmageddon. Snowmageddon 2026. It's really cold out today. On top of the 2 feet of snow that we got, but that's okay. We're New Englanders. I'm out getting some gas. And the roads are worse today than they were last night. They're very, very greasy. This pile behind me, oh my goodness, it's probably 16 feet tall. I don't know. But this is our little park. Let me show you. It's rather picturesque this morning. Like that of a little Norman Rockwell painting almost. Oh, look, the sun is coming out. That means the storm is pulling away. Well, it's not really pulling away per se, because we're gonna get about, I don't know, 6 more inches, 3 to 5. Honestly, I don't even, does it even matter? Once you reach 2 feet, does it matter? Nope, doesn't matter. And we're here for it. We're here for it. This is New England. Is almost 8:30 at night and it's still snowing. Here we are, Snowmageddon 2026. It's almost, well, it's about 9 o'clock at night, and it's still snowing. It's hard to tell in the dark, but it's still snowing. It's been snowing since 11 o'clock yesterday morning, and it's still snowing. They said they thought it would stop around 9 or 10 tonight, but it's not. I'm going to say in all total, we got 2 feet of snow, maybe a little more than that. Our piles are big. Our piles are big. It's hard to tell, but whew, we got a lot of snow. We got a lot of snow. But we're New Englanders. We're hardy. It's what we do. It's how we roll. Just keep shoveling. Shoveling, shoveling, and shoveling. The roads are good. The plow trucks have been out. I have a sizable pile up on my roof that I'm going to have to get off. We in New England, if you live in New England, you most likely have a roof rake to clear off your roof because too much snow can not be a good thing. But I do have some gutters, not a lot, which also can be a big thing in New England, especially when things start melting. But Snowmageddon 2026. I think we made it through. We did it. And it was cozy. It was lovely. We have not gotten this much snow in a very, very long time here in New England. So in that respect, it's really nice to have that. But hopefully tomorrow we will wake up and we will see sunshine after a day and a half of constant snow and 2 feet. In the meantime, we will see the beauty of it all. It is really pretty. It's like a postcard. It really is. So you can see how tall the piles are at the edge of my driveway. They're almost as tall as my car. We got a whole bunch of snow, but it's so pretty out. It's so quiet. It's so nice. Good morning. It is Tuesday, and folks, we survived the snowpocalypse, or Snowmageddon 2026. I'm not sure what they're calling it. We got a good amount of snow, nothing unusual. But it is cold out. It is 13, and they said the feels like temperature is 0. So, and it's supposed to be like that the whole week. So the snow that we got is going to stay. And they're saying that there could be a good chance of snow coming in next Sunday. Awesome. So we did it. Sun's kind of out. Everything's good. And onward we go. Oh my goodness. Okay. It is way. It's in my boots. It's in my boots. Okay, here we are. I thought that we would try to, as you can see, I'm up to my mid-thigh here, but I thought we would grab a tape measure and see if we could get a pretty good reading. Oil, I'm so sorry. I'm not going to need oil for a while. I heat my house with kerosene, and it's $4.89 a gallon. I typically go through a tank and a half a year. Although this year looks like it's going to be a little bit more. That is the one piece of government assistance that I do get. Other than that, I don't get any assistance. They help fill my oil tank. And I try to keep my heat low enough so we can respect that. And yeah, I'm hoping this is supposed to be cold like this all week. So we're going to be flying through oil like crazy. But it's a hard balance because you want to keep everything warm enough so your pipes don't freeze. So the snow is easy. It's just this cold that's going to be more expensive because we're just flying through it. But here we are. We survived. The only other thing is up on the roof, there's probably like 2.5 feet sitting up there. And with it being so cold, it's not going to melt. And that's going to be an issue. We're going to have to roof rake that off. So some of the weight just isn't sitting up there. I don't like that chore. That chore is hard. But as a homeowner, you have to do what you have to do. You can see up here, that's about 2.5 feet. It's hard to tell with the camera. And then you can see some of the ice that's sitting in the gutter. So I'm gonna have to ask my friends. I have friends that are in facilities and contractors to see what their best advice is, so we're safe and my home is protected. Footage. You can see this is so fluffy, so it's really easy to clean off. I'm over at my neighbor's house now, trying to get his deck all cleared off for him. He's 81 and my other neighbor is here with his plow truck, trying to clean up the driveway. So, neighbors working together. That's what we do here. At least it's light and fluffy. This is really easy to shovel. So fluffy. You can see. Just look. It's like powdered sugar. It's so pretty. New England. So thanks for coming along on this snow journey 2026. As you can see, we did good. It's so fine. Lots of snow, lots of cleanup. I'm gonna try to finish cleaning out my driveway here, and then I'm gonna go help my neighbor and call it good. We'll see about getting this day on. The sun is coming out, and we'll see if we can keep moving onward. Thanks for coming along, and I hope you enjoyed our little slice of pie here in New England, snow style. You're probably wondering, why do you drive so much in snowstorms? All the driving that you saw was to get my son back and forth to his dad's. So that's why. Well, thanks so much, and we will see you soon.